Hello everyone. Good evening. We have here in this additional three puzzles left, not in today's newspaper of Tuesday, March the 21st, 2023, first day of spring. I've told you earlier we have only one regular puzzle, the medium Sudoku. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of an old edition. Friday, March the 10th, 2023. We have here three puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. Alright, first the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number. This will be number 6150. Yeah, 6150. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one aren't digits, those are letters. 27 printed letters. Unique letters: the T, the M, the S, the O, the R, the E, the K, the G, and the A. And the goal is to solve this word in the middle row. It's a Dutch word. I will translate this if I finish this puzzle or solve this puzzle. But for a letter Sudoku with 27 printed digits, I need a little bit more time than with digits. 15 to 20 minutes I need for solving a letter Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a S in the last row, S in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the S should be there. Then E in this column, E in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the E should be there. The M in this row, the M in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the M should be there. The R in the third row, the R in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the R should be there. 3 missing letters in the first row. One of the missing letter in the first row is the letter O. We have an O in this big square, so no O in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the O in the first row should be there. Alright. Then. 2 missing letters in the first row. Those missing letters are: the S is missing, and the K is missing. S and the K, S and the K. We have an S in the third column. No S there. S should be here and the K goes there. Then let me see. S. Need an S here. Yeah, S there. This should be this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letter is an S. We have an S in this column, so no S in this box. We have an S in the middle row, so no S in these 2 boxes. So the S in this big square could be here, could be there. S in this column, S in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the S should be there. S in the third row. S in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the S should be there. Alright. Okay. A and T. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are: the A is missing, the T is missing, and the K is missing. And look, we have A and T in this column, so no A and T in this box. The A and the T goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. A and T, A and the T. So 1 digit, 1 letter is missing in this big square for letter K. 1 letter is missing in this column for letter, I believe, the R. Yeah, the R is missing. So we have R in this row, R in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the R should be here, here, or there. You see an R in this column, no R there. Here an R in the middle column, so no R there. So the only place left for the R should be there. R in the third column, R in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the R should be there. In this row, R in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the R should be here. Or there, we see an R in this column, last column, no R there. R should be there. And all the R's are used. I can't see. Letter number 1, letter R. Alright. We have S in the last column, S in the column next. So in that column, the only two places left for the S should be here or there. You see an S in the middle row, no S there. S should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with S. Now we have an S there, so this box can't be S anymore. That box should be an S. And all the S's are used. I can see. Letter number 2, letter S. Alright. Okay. And G. Yeah. Alright. No T here. T. Okay. T, G, A. Alright. Come on. A and the E. No A. No O. Need an O there. Need an O here. O. Yeah. O in the last column, O in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the O should be there. O in this row, O in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the O should be here or there. We see an O in the second column, so no O there. O should be there. M, K, G. 3 missing letters in this big square. Those missing letters are the K is missing, the M is missing, and the G is missing. KGM. And look, we have a K and a G in this row, so no K and a G in this box. The K and the G goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter M. MM. Alright. Okay. MM. Alright. Come on. KKK. Okay. Need a K here. Need an M also here. We have a pair, the K and M in the third column, the K and the M in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the K and M goes in those two boxes as a pair. K and M. Alright. T. Need a need a M here also. M. TM and the A. Need an A here. Come on, where's the A? A and a T. I'm missing here. A and a T. Alright, AT and the G is missing. Well, G should be here. Come on. TT. I'm thinking. Come on. Where's the E and A, E, E and G. Let me put some letters. These two missing letters in this big square are the letters A and E. A, E. These two missing letters in the third row are the letters E and G. E, G. And those two missing letters in this big square are the letters O and T. O and a T. We have a T in this column. No T there. T should be here. No. Goes there. Yeah. So we have a T in this column, T in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left for the T could be here, could be there. Oh. We have O in this column, O in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left. The only three places left for the O should be here, here, or there. We see an O in the last row, no O there. O could be here, could be there. Need an E here. Yeah, we need an E in this column. We have an E in the middle row, so no E there. So the E goes together with the T. E-T. Alright, extraterrestrial. So one letter is missing in this column. For letter M is missing here. Here, M is missing. So we have a M in this column, M in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only three places left for the M should be here, here, or there. We see an M in this row, no M there. So the M could be here, could be there. Wow. A, E, E, E. K is also missing here. K. Ah, come on. Serenity now. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an E. We have an E in this row, so no E in these two boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. That means we have an E in one of those two boxes in the second column. So this box can be an E anymore. That box should be an E. And this box should be an A. Alright. 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is an A. We have an A in this column, set column, so no A in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the A in this big square. Should be there. K, G, and S. The T is missing. T in this row, T in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the T should be there. So 2 missing letters. The K and the G are missing. Cannot fill this yet, but I know what the word is. Here 2 missing letters. The E and the G is missing. We have a G in this row. No G there. G should be here. And the E goes there. Alright. K and a G. We have a G now in this row. No G there. G should be here. And the K goes there. 1 letter is missing in the middle row. Should be the K. The word is stamkroeg. Well, it's the solution solved in 30 minutes, 13 minutes. In English, it's a bar. What kind of bar? A local bar. And hang out. Yes, and hang out. Alright, let me continue. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters A and the E. Is missing A and E. Alright. Okay. And now 2 missing letters in this column for letters T is missing. And the G is missing. T and the G. T and the G. T and the G. Yeah, T and the G. We have a T here, we have a T there, and we need a T in the last row. Yeah, here can be a T because we have a T in this column. Here can be a T because we have a T in the second column. Here can be a T because we have a T in one of those 2 boxes. in this big square, so no T in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the T in the last row should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters A is missing, and a G is missing. A and a G. Well, we have a G in the last column, no G there. G should be here, and A goes there. A and a T, we have an A in the last column, no A there. A should be here, and the T goes there. Alright. Then, G and a T, we have a G now in this row, so no G there. G should be there, and the T goes there. E and T, ET, we have a T now in this row, no T there. T should be here, and the E goes here. Alright. E in the last row, E in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the E should be there. So 2 missing letters in this big square for letters O is missing. And A is missing. O and A. We have O in the last row, so no O there. O should be here, and A goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the O. We have O now in this row, no O there. O should be here. So 1 letter is missing in this row for letter A. A and a E, we have an A now in this column, no A there. A should be here, and the E goes there. E and a G, we have an E in this column, no E there. E should be here, and the G goes there. Alright. Then 1 letter is missing in this column for letter K. K is missing. K and M, we have a K now in the last row, no K there. K should be here, and then goes there. I marked those 2 boxes with M. Now we have an M there, so this box can be N and more. That box should be an M. And the final letter in this big square for the letter G, I believe. G, 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 yes. The G is missing. Alright, finished. 17 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a letter Sudoku. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, the 2 stars Sudoku and the tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.